Thank you.
You're welcome. I also have beanies I give away.
Did you make them?
Yes, I did. Pardon?
How much is one of them?
They're free.
If they were sold, how much would they be? They're so.
I have no idea
Oh,
what I would sell
wow.
them for.
Thank you.
And then this opens and you can use it as a hand warmer.
Wow, this is the most wow. I wonder how long it lasts for. I'm gonna make it sure it stays very protected.
Oh, good. You can pull one through the other and,
Aw,
shorten it.
this is the most special thing I've ever seen. Can I just hold this color up?
Uh-huh.
I just want to see what it looks like.
You can keep that one too.
No,
Yeah, you can have them both.
no.
Yes.
Is there a mirror?
That's about it on the mirrors. You can have them both.
Really? Oh,
Yes.
wow. Okay.
Just take those two.
They're so special. It's almost hard to take them. Oh, it was like the sunflower.
Mhm.
I wanted to dye my hair those colors once.
They kind of go together.
Yep. Oh, thank you.
You're
Thank you.
welcome.
They're so proud. I'm so glad you're so thank you because they're just. I was only being difficult. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yay! And I probably would have done that. Made it all difficult and fixed everything. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.